Hello everyone, welcome to the 14th episode of What's New Atrangi. And आज हम लेके आए हैं festive sets. The festive season is just about to begin. Next month onwards is Rakhi, then there is Karwa Chauth, then there is Diwali. A lot is coming up, and I thought launching new sets would be something which would be exciting for everyone. So here we have a few new sets we've launched. Hello, hi Hema, hi Smita, hello everyone. Thanks for joining in today. I'm gonna quickly take you to very exciting new things which are here. We have this gorgeous crystal mala. A lot of people want malas to just wear very simply on sarees and suits. Hi Neha, hello. This gorgeous piece right here is only for 6850. It comes with these earrings. Sorry, the earrings are separate. This is the piece which comes with that earring, sorry. This is also for 6850. It is a very stunning choker. Comes with these earrings now. If you can see, it's an antique gold polish. The crystals, the quality is very good. These are potard rubies. The stones at the center are moissanites. It's a very wearable choker set, very designer and very well made. That is one piece which is here. The second set which we are very excited about launching is this vintage looking uncut diamond moissanite set. It comes with these very stunning earrings right here, really light in weight but looks very elegant, and it is also very well priced. This one is again for around 6850 only for this live, but the price will be more eventually when it goes on the website. We have this piece right here. It's a 3-layered Rani Har in a floral look, with Radhika Merchant wearing antique gold on her wedding day. This is a perfect set to layer up anything. You have a simple choker which you want to make it look heavy, or just a simple mala. We can also customize this into 2 pieces, single line, 3 lines, or 5 lines depending on your preference. It comes with these uncut diamond earrings right here in antique gold. Moving on, we have these pretty earrings. The finish is fantastic. Again, antique gold. Comes in good poppy colors. It's a mint and a blue. Then we have these crystal bracelets. Stunning and antique and Swarovskis. This is the one with mint and purple. This is the one with green and red. And we have this one in a full red. This one's only for 2450. It's very pretty. We can customize this into a choker also for you guys on request. Now, with mint and pink catching popularity and a lot of outfits being pastel by nature, this one is a stunning piece right here. Look at the finish of this, guys. The uncut diamond is of very high quality. The stones are very high quality. The earrings are very pretty by themselves also if you ever want to wear it. And this gorgeous set right here is only for 10850 for this launch, for this live launch that we're doing of the sets. This is a stunning Meenakari piece with uncut diamond in the center. If you see the peacocks, the birds, the motifs, the way it is made, it's a very pretty piece, very understated. It comes with these earrings and will match with everything. It comes with a beautiful Mang Tika which just fell down, which I'm going to show you guys. This is also for 12450 without the Tika and 15450 with the Tika. This is a stunning piece. This is only launch prices, guys. Please don't expect these prices on the website. This is only for the launch where we are giving a special offer. These are the first lot of the new pieces that we have. It's a very smart, attractive fluorite necklace. If you see, the workmanship is great. It's with diamond studded. It's a completely handmade piece. These are the earrings it comes with. This new necklace is also for 9650. Very rich, very pretty piece. And something which is minimalistic but looks very real. We have this gorgeous necklace only for 5450. It's at moissanites and the workmanship is very pretty. It's moissanites with a diamond halo around it and comes with these studs. The studs are also very wearable by themselves. And I was excited to launch this choker set right here. It's an offtake of our Sasha choker set. Comes with these pretty earrings and very well priced, only for 2950 for this launch. Once you wear it, it looks stunning. And it's a antique gold single line in the center with 2 layers of cluster pearls around it. It's a very Indo-Western piece. You can wear with lehengas, suits or anything like that. This is an offtake of a Dulhaniya jhumka. It's a very nice jhumka, looks heavy but grand, but it is a very classy design which will last forever. You can literally wear it with anything. Now after that, launching our Morni crystal necklace in a different color as well. We have a blue in it, and we have this stunning choker as well, only for 3250 for the launch. And it comes with these earrings. The earrings by themselves, the necklace by itself, is a very wearable kind. Hi Reena, we have an outlet in Chennai, Bombay and Surat at this point, hoping to open many more. Okay, this is something which we've just launched. It comes in all these colors. We have a green, purple, red, pink and a blue. It is super stunning. So a lot of people who don't like pearls in their necklace and think it looks very Indian, this one's for you guys, because this is an uncut diamond polki with antique gold, comes in all these colorful versions and doesn't look very Indian. You can wear them with a shirt or a skirt or on a drape as well. It looks very classy. The studs are also very pretty and the colors are super attractive. The pink one and the purple is one of my favorites and it's so versatile. We also have these pieces right here. So this is our new launch. A lot of people are asking for stuff like this. We got a lot of DMs showing us real jewelry pictures, asking us to imitate something like this. So these are basically natural stones, comes with these ruby and emerald meenakari work and gold carved. They're able to make it in real in a relatively lesser price because the stones are semi-precious, and we are able to make it in 1/4 of a fraction of the cost in artificial, but the look is the same. If you see, the finish is fantastic and the color it comes in is very pretty. We have this fluorite and meenakari one with gold, and we have this one with multicolor and gold, and this one's only for 6950 for this live. The earrings also these come with are very nice and versatile. And going ahead, we have this again, the crystal necklace right here, and we have this gorgeous choker in a completely antique look. After Radhika Merchant has worn antique, I'm sure antique is something which everyone's looking for, and this is super wearable in that family. It is a choker which fits any neck. The make of this is fantastic, the finish is great, and the price point is something you will love as well. It is only for 8650 and it comes with these stunning chanbalis right here, earrings right here. It's a super pretty earring if you see, and it's a very wearable size. Now going back, we have this stunning pretty earring right here. It is with real stones and carved, and very elegant and different piece, very dramatic by nature but sophisticated. It's only for 3250, and I am most excited to show you this piece for someone who loves very minimalistic jewelry but yet want to make a statement. This one is something you've got to own. It is the Pota ruby work along with natural stones and with a polki thin necklace. You know, someone who's old and doesn't want to wear very heavy jewelry yet want to wear something which is sophisticated and simple, this is something you guys should definitely have. It is quite well priced as well, and on a simple kurti also it looks very nice. It's only for 4850 guys. It's a very wearable piece and the finish is excellent, we can assure you that. Thank you so much for joining us on this Saturday for the live, and we're looking forward to our 15th episode. It's going to be a special one since it's a landmark milestone number. But thanks a lot for being with us this Saturday. We're hoping to serve and bring you more and more designer jewelry, more and more latest products. I hope you enjoy our series, and do comment and let us know, and do DM and let us know if any suggestions you guys have, anything you want us to specifically cover on a Saturday live. We'll be happy to help you guys. Thanks a lot. Happy weekend.